Hello, modern cooking enthusiast, ever battled with garlic peels or wished for a magic tool to crush garlic effortlessly? Today, we're diving into the top 5 garlic cutters that will revolutionize your cooking. Before we move forward, a quick shout out to all our gadget-loving home chefs. If you're always on the lookout for the next best thing in kitchen innovation, our newsletter is your treasure trove. From the latest kitchen gadgets and decor trends to scrumptious recipes that'll impress at any table, we've got you covered. Don't miss out on elevating your culinary game. Click the link in the description to join our newsletter community and be the first to know what's cooking in the world of kitchen tech. Let's get chopping. First up is the Zulay Kitchen Premium Garlic Press set. This isn't just any garlic press, it's a culinary marvel made from food-grade, rust-resistant materials. Imagine extracting more garlic paste than ever before without any peel mess or garlic odor on your hands. Plus, it's a breeze to clean, and its multi-purpose nature means you can crush more than just garlic. Truly, a kitchen gadget built to last. ORBLUE Garlic Press. Next, meet the ORBLUE Garlic Press, a heavy-duty tool that ensures you can mince garlic with minimal effort. Its professional-grade stainless steel design is not only rust-proof, but also adds a splash of color to your kitchen. Whether it's garlic for your sauces or ginger for your marinades, this garlic press minces with ease and is incredibly easy to clean. Third on our list is the Gracula Garlic Crusher. This isn't just a tool, it's a conversation starter. Made from durable ABS plastic, Gracula fearlessly crushes garlic, keeping your hands clean and your kitchen fun. It's perfect for those who love a bit of humor with their cooking. Beyond garlic, it can tackle ginger, nuts, and herbs, making it a versatile addition to your gadget collection. Introducing the Vantic Garlic Press Rocker. With its innovative arc shape and comfortable handle, crushing garlic has never been easier. Made from premium stainless steel and high-quality silicone, this tool is durable and easy to clean. It's designed for anyone who wants to simplify their garlic crushing process with a promise of no rust or breakage. Garliczoom Garlic Chopper. Last but not least, the Garliczoom Garlic Chopper is a time-saving marvel. Its design allows you to mince garlic to your desired texture without getting your hands dirty. It's easy to use, high quality, and dishwasher safe, perfect for those who value convenience and quality in their kitchen tools. The top 5 garlic cutters to make your culinary adventures easier and more enjoyable. Each of these tools brings something unique to the table, from ergonomic designs to multifunctional capabilities. But the real question is, which one will you add to your kitchen arsenal? If you loved these tips and want more on the latest kitchen gadgets, decor trends, and mouth-watering recipes, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Kitchen Guide 101, and sign up for our newsletter. Your kitchen will thank you. Hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a beat. Until next time, keep cooking smart.